Hello, my name's Ian Stewart. I'm the Chief Economist at Deloitte. I want to take you through the findings of the latest survey of Chief Financial Officers. It's quite an upbeat survey. What we've seen is that perceptions of uncertainty amongst Chief Financial Officers, which were really very high through last year around the referendum on EU membership, those perceptions of uncertainty have fallen quite sharply. And we can drill down into what CFOs think has changed in this survey. Actually, in 6 of the 8 categories of risk that we track, CFOs have become less nervous. So Brexit, which is still at the top of the CFO risk list, that is seen as slightly less of a threat than it was at the end of 2016. But in particular, 2 areas which have been very big sources of concern to CFOs in recent years: weakness in the euro area economy and in emerging markets. Those areas of perceived risk have fallen really quite sharply. So that has contributed to this decline in perceptions of uncertainty. And in turn, what we're seeing is a rebound in business optimism. It's up to the highest level in 18 months, and corporate risk appetite has picked up as well. Perhaps not surprisingly, what the survey shows is that there's been a tilt by corporates towards more expansionary strategies. So 2016, there was a big focus on cost control and building up cash. Now we're seeing a shift towards more capital spending and the introduction of new products and services. So a more upbeat tone to corporate strategies. Now, looking longer out, what we do see is that CFOs remain concerned about Brexit. They continue to think that Brexit will exercise a dampening effect on their own spending plans. But actually, even here, perceptions of risk have declined. So the extent to which CFOs think that Brexit will slow investment and hiring, they are much less than they were in the immediate aftermath of the referendum. And in the very long term, the perception of CFOs is that Brexit will mean a rather less favourable business environment, but the negativity here too has moderated somewhat. So overall, what we're seeing in this survey is a more positive picture. Uncertainty is down. We've seen a decent rebound in business optimism, and corporates are tilting towards capital spending and expansion after really hunkering down through 2016.